there's a new gun in town. More powerful, more rugged, more versatile than any other gun around. The new Gallo Gun will restore order. Ready, aim, fire. To blast away clogs and clear drain lines instantly, protecting the efficiency of your HVAC system. When condensate drain lines begin moving slowly or become clogged, simply load a CO2 cartridge in the Gallo Gun, draw your gun, and press the trigger to blow away the debris with oil-free food-grade air. The Gallo Gun is a lightweight portable tool with a patent-pending housing designed to fit either Nu-Calgon's Mag 20 20-gram cartridge or Mag 16 16-gram cartridge. Most CO2 drain guns only fit a 16-gram cartridge. With Gallo Gun's 20-gram capacity, you can get 25% more drain clearing power. Simply unthread the reversible dual-fit base, flip it 180 degrees, and rethread to the housing. Other 16-gram and 20-gram cartridges on the market also fit the Gallo Gun. Although it is lightweight and compact, the Gallo Gun contains a heavy-duty trigger system and custom-molded body that is more rugged than any other injector gun on the market. Plus, its flexible hose assembly with tapered fitting allows you to maneuver easily through cabinets, coils, and hard-to-reach drains, wherever bad stuff is hiding. So bring law and order to HVAC system maintenance and get the gun that gives you more power and long-lasting reliability. Get the Gallo Gun, only from Nu-Calgon.